y'all, I'm in Houston. Like, what's up, my babies? Welcome back to my channel. As by the title, you already see what's going on. Y'all see this. Look at all this stuff. Your girl is moving from Louisiana to Houston. Like, yeah, your girl is moving. Your girl is moving to Houston, y'all. Like, look at all this stuff. Hold on, because I gotta make sure nobody hit me. I gotta get like a tripod or something to go in my car, or something to just sit there, because I don't really got nothing right now. And yeah, but I got some stuff that I need to unbox, and I'm gonna do that for y'all. But right now we just finna drive, y'all. I got 5 hours. They ain't long. I got 5 hours, and in that 5 hours I'm gonna just be driving. I'm not gonna be, doing too much of vlogging right now, because I just want to listen to music and like get my mind right. Like, I feel like with me moving, it's like a really big change, a really big jump. So I'm excited, but I'm also nervous, but more of excited. So y'all, we finna see how this gonna go. And yeah, like, I'm ready, y'all. Your girl really moved to Houston. Like, y'all, that's been my dream. That's been my goals. I've been wanting to move to Houston. It just took me a little minute. So, girl, why my lips look ashy? Are they? Hold on, let me put some chapstick on. Anyways, y'all. So, I'm going to check back with y'all after I get to Houston. Or at least get in Texas. Because your girl got to drive, okay? So, I'm going to check back with y'all later.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting.
So, y'all, your girl made it to Houston. So now I'm about to go up these flights of stairs. Cause look at them. It's like 3 flights of stairs, y'all.
Girl, I'm not gonna like this. I'm drunk. But your girl made it to Houston. And I got a corner. Let's open up the doors.
Okay, y'all, so we finally on the house tour. I'm excited because, y'all, I love my apartment. I love everything about my apartment. Ain't nothing that I don't like, but I'm going to give y'all a little rundown. Right here in this first door, that's a closet. Something just put your raincoats, boots, just stuff like that. On these double doors, that is my washer and dryer. I love that at the top it had all the space, like, to where I'm able to put a lot of stuff up there. Cause, y'all, I got OCD low-key. Like, I be wanting to organize so much stuff. Like, it could be the littlest thing. But anyways, going into this first room, y'all, this room screamed beauty room to me. Like, I don't know why. It just gave me beauty room. Like, have your clients in here, have your videos in here, decorate this room, how you want it. This is my bathroom, first bathroom. First bedroom, first bath. That is my closet, y'all. I love everything about this closet. This closet is so big, so spacious, like everything I want. And then behind the door, it just look, boom. It gave me even more space, like more storage, more stuff that I'm able to just put in, y'all. Girl, I love everything about my apartment. I'm gonna keep saying that. That's my bathtub. And I noticed, y'all, I ain't even open that door right there. That was a closet. That was a whole closet, and I ain't even open. I ain't open it, y'all. But going into my living room, my kitchen, this is granny counters, just tile floor, y'all. Wooden, a little, nothing dramatic. I'm opening the refrigerator because it's there, y'all. It's the ice maker. It's a water dispenser. Like everything is, y'all. I love it. I'm gonna brag about this apartment until I move because I love everything about it. It's very spacious. I always wanted an island, y'all. I always wanted an island. That's what really sold me these closet spaces, the island, the floor, the tile, like everything. But one thing I did love, y'all, see right there where y'all put the TV at? Like, I love that they had this little, it was already like set up to where you just gotta put your cords like down in there and connect it to, the outlet. Like, I love that. I ain't never seen that ever. But this is, y'all, it's pretty spacious. I ain't gonna lie. The living room is pretty big. And I can't wait to put everything in there, y'all. Y'all gonna see that though. This is the second bedroom. This is the master bedroom. And I love everything about it. It's still big and spacious. Look at all them outlets. Like, I'm gonna have to make sure I don't burn the place down, putting everything in. Just, having stuff done. This is the first bathroom. I mean, the second bathroom. I'm sorry, y'all. This is my closet. Y'all, put towels, all that. Y'all know. That's the tub, the sink, everything. And y'all, here's my lovely walk-in closet. The second walk-in closet. Like, y'all, it's so big and spacious. Like, look at all that stuff that I'm able to put up there. And then behind the door, y'all, don't laugh, but I didn't know what this was. I was curious because I'm like, what is this? Like, if I still don't know, but I think it's my little Wi-Fi box or something. Still gotta make sure they come and connect it and turn it on and stuff. But yeah, I think that's what that is. But this really the end of my tour. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, y'all. I love everything about my apartment. Ain't nothing that I don't love. But yeah, y'all gonna see me do, decorate it and do all of that stuff to it. So I hope y'all like my little tour. And yeah, now I'm about to unload everything and put everything up in my apartment. What's up, my babies? Now y'all about to see me literally take all this stuff up out of my car and bring it up these 3 flights of stairs. It's like down, down, and then one more down. So good luck to me. And I know my knees and my legs and everything gonna be burning, but we're gonna fight through this.
They be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about that bed. Why they just call me to tell me come get it? Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't edit. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eating. Like yo, they look like they caught and eat it. Pillow talk with them,
That was just one.
Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
I wanna give up. y'all. I'm almost done. I promise y'all, I'm never doing that again. Never. Look at all this stuff. Girl. Alright y'all, I'm closing out this video because on the next video I'm going to be unboxing all of my house stuff that I have, that I bought for my house. Some from Walmart, like it's over $1,000. So look, y'all gonna watch me unbox them. Like y'all, I'm in Houston, So thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, cause y'all, I got so much to do. I have so many hauls, so many lookbooks, so many unboxing videos that I gotta do. I hope y'all stay here to watch me on this journey because it's gonna be a journey. The girl is sweating. I'm putting all of this in, all this hard work into what I really, really want. And Houston is where I really want it to be. So y'all, I really thank y'all so much for staying here, watching this video, staying connected with me and everything. So I'm not gonna do all that rambling. I just want to tell y'all that because I appreciate it a lot. So thank y'all for watching this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to you, girl.